LG's innovative technology brings the latest cooking trend to your home kitchen with Air Sous Vide. Air Sous Vide cooking uses air to cook foods low and slow. You can use it to cook meat, seafood, poultry, or vegetables. The lower temperatures and long cooking times used in Air Sous Vide cooking provide many benefits. Compared to other cooking methods, Air Sous Vide retains most of the original nutrients in food, making it a healthier way to cook. The long cooking times used in Air Sous Vide cooking allow food to be pasteurized. Because food is vacuum packed in pouches before cooking, the unopened pouches can be quickly chilled in an ice bath and stored in the freezer or refrigerator after cooking. The fine temperature control of Air Sous Vide cooking is an excellent way to achieve the perfect texture when cooking meat and poultry. And it is not necessary to preheat your LG oven when using Air Sous Vide. The low temperatures used retain more of the moisture in food than conventional cooking methods. After cooking, a final sear in a frying pan adds the perfect crisp finish. Refer to the cooking guide for recommended Air Sous Vide settings. Life's good when cooking with LG's Air Sous Vide oven range.